Hello everyone! Today we are sharing a complete guide to grid operation and settings in OrCAD. Grid settings in OrCAD apply to two core workspaces: the schematic drawing area and the component symbol drawing area. When working in a project, find options in the top menu bar. Then select Preferences from the drop-down menu. In the Preferences window, switch to the Grid Display tab. This tab is split into two sections: Schematic Page Grid and Part Symbol Grid. Schematic Page Grid controls grid properties for the schematic canvas. Part Symbol Grid controls grid properties for component symbol library editing. Both sections share two core settings: Visible and Grid Styles. Visible toggles the grid display on and off. Grid Style lets you switch between dots and lines for the grid appearance. In the Part Symbols Grid section, pointer snap to grid ensures that lines and drawing elements automatically align to grid points as you draw. In the Schematic Pages Grid section, grid spacing defines the distance between grid points, which is normally kept at the default value of 1. Pointer snap to grid controls snap sensitivity. With separate settings for connectivity and drawing elements. Each of these has 3 sensitivity levels: Fine, Coarse, and Master. That covers all core grid parameter settings. Next, let's cover schematic page template settings. Open the Options menu again, and select Design Template from the drop-down. In the Design Template window, go to the Grid Reference tab. This tab includes horizontal and vertical settings, which controls the reference markings along the schematic border. In our example, the horizontal reference uses numeric labels in descending order. Decreasing from left to right. The vertical reference uses alphabetic labels in descending order. Back in the Design Template window, you will also find 3 display options: Border Visible, Grid Reference Visible, Block and Title Visible. These control the on-screen display and printing behavior of the schematic border, grid references, and title block. Before adjusting grid settings, always confirm your page size configuration first, especially the units and page size types. Settings on this tab affect the width values of horizontal and vertical grid references, and also impact schematic printing and component placement. That's all for today's sharing. Thank you everyone.